Welcome back, smart and tiny thinkers. Here's the quiz of the day. You will get 3 type of questions. Let's see how many you can answer. Which planet do we live on? The answer is Earth. Earth is our home planet where people, animals, and plants live. How many planets are there in our solar system? 8, 3, 6, or 4? That's right, the answer is 8. Which planet is this? Complete the given word. Awesome, it's Saturn. Saturn. Which planet is closest to the Sun? Perfect, great going. Answer is Mercury. Mercury is the nearest planet to the Sun. Which planet is known as the red planet? You are genius. The answer is Mars. Mars looks red because of red dust on it. Which planet is this? Complete the word. Yes, it's Neptune. Neptune. Great going. Which planet is called the blue planet? The answer is Earth. Earth looks blue from space because it has a lot of water. You are doing awesome. Which planet is farthest from the Sun? Good job. Answer is Neptune. Neptune is the planet farthest away from the Sun. What is at the center of our solar system? Earth, Sun, Mars, or Venus? Perfect. The answer is Sun. The Sun is a big star and all planets move around it. Which planet is very hot and closest after Mercury? Excellent. Answer is Venus. Venus is very hot because thick clouds trap heat. Which planet has rings around it? Answer is Saturn. Saturn has big, beautiful rings around it. Thank you, kids. Subscribe to Smart and Tiny Thinkers to enjoy more fun quizzes and learning adventures.